Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the desktop environment. Open Settings and go straight to Universal Access. Once there, find the screen reader or text-to-speech toggle and switch it off. This stops automatic spoken feedback. If the GUI is slow, use Alt plus F2 and run GNOME Control Center to reach the same panel faster. Make sure you have permission to change accessibility settings. If prompted, authenticate. This first action usually kills the immediate speech, so you can continue without audio interruptions. If speech persists, stop the underlying service. Open a terminal and run gsettings set.org. GNOME, desktop, A11Y. Applications screen reader enabled false to persistently disable GNOME screen reader. Then run pkill forca or sudo systemtool user stop speech dispatcher. Socket if present. This ends running TTS daemons. Once done, check PS or HTOP for any remaining Orca or speech dispatcher processes and terminate them. Make sure to run commands as your user, or with sudo, only when necessary to avoid permission errors. Finish by verifying the change. Log out and back in or reboot to ensure the screen reader doesn't relaunch. If speech still appears, disable Orca in startup applications or uninstall the Orca package with your package manager. Sudo DNF remove Orca. Make sure the speech dispatcher service is masked or stopped if it restarts. If something goes wrong, check ~/ cache /sessions or journoctal user for errors and revert a recent change. That log often reveals which service is still emitting audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.